Hi, how do we find the length of a line joining 2 points? So here we have a diagram with A joining a point B, and we have the coordinates at A and the coordinates at B. Well, just from using Pythagoras' theorem, we look at the difference of the x values, we'll get the length along here. We look at the height with the difference of y values, we'll get this part of the right angle triangle, or this side of the right angle triangle, and we use Pythagoras' theorem to find the hypotenuse, or in this case the length of the line. So we'll call that line AB, and this is the formula. It's x2 minus x1, that's the length of the run. We'll square that. And we'll add that to y2 minus y1. Square that. And then of this, we find a square root. You raise it to a power is the same as finding the square root. So this is equal to, what we have is x2 minus x1, which is 3, minus 2. We must square that. We add -1, y2 minus y1. Let me square that. We raise this to a power of a half. This gives us 5 squared, add 3, or minus 3 squared to the half, which is equal to 25, add 9, and we find the square root, which is equal to approximately 5.83. So the length of the line joining A to B is 5.83 of whatever unit it's measured in.